Yo guys, what is good? It's your boy John Wong here, back again with another video. And today we got a pretty dope unboxing for you guys. Alright, so yeah, about 2 days ago, I got these in the mail. I purchased them off of GOAT. And if you watch my previous videos on which sneakers I'm going to buy next, I think you'd have an idea of what it's going to be. But let me just stop talking and let's open this bad boy up ourselves. I'm going to use a pencil to open it up. I know, couldn't really find a knife anywhere, but this is, oh, the pencil broke. This is really bad. This is a bad idea. Just got it. I should have got a knife. I really should have. Yeah, I'm destroying this pencil. Anyways, guys, I'm really enjoying all this content I'm bringing out to you guys. I have a lot more in the future. So if you guys want to definitely check me out, hit that subscribe button and yeah, help me get to 100 subs. I'm really almost there. I'm on that grind and yeah, your support means everything. Alright, I think we got it open. That was a terrible idea. I do not know why I decided to do that, but I'll let you guys look at the box first. Actually, this is the bottom of the box, so that was kind of lame. But yeah, let's check it out. Ooh. Alright, so we got an orange box. So typically, I think Nike has these kind of boxes when it comes to vintage sneakers or like pretty old sneakers, I would say. This one I've been wanting for a minute. This pair just came out in 2019, I would say. They're not really as relevant as they were, but definitely I'm in love with these shoes. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. Oh, and this is definitely my first time opening this, guys, so I haven't seen the shoes. I haven't taken a peek. So just like you guys, this is my first time seeing what's in the box. Ooh, these. Dang. Alright, okay. There's a lot of paper, I can tell you that. So if you haven't guessed what these sneakers are by now, they are the Nike Sacai Blazers in the black and gray colorway. In my previous videos where I went over my sneaker wish list, I said that these are a definite cop and I'm going to cop these next. And I definitely lived up to that. I don't know if I'm going to do B-roll, but if I don't, I'm going to spin these around and let you guys see the full shoe and what they look like. Man, oh, these are really cool. I like these a lot. Like I said before, I've been wanting these for a minute. I'm a really big fan of Nike Blazers, but I never really had the motivation to buy just a regular Blazer or a Blazer 77. And then these definitely spoke to me. In seeing them, I really fell in love with them. I think the Nike Sacai collab is an amazing sneaker. And yeah, there's not much to say about them because they're so amazing. So if you're seeing the title of the video, yes, I accidentally bought these. And what I mean by that is that I actually bidded these on GOAT for a really low price. And I didn't think that it was going to get accepted. I just wanted to test my chances. And luckily, my bid got accepted and I was able to cop these. And hey, I have no regrets. I was really happy. I think with everything going on, GOAT did take a while to authenticate my shoes and ship them out. But that's perfectly understandable. I'm just happy to have them. I'm going to go over some key aspects of the shoe that definitely make it pop. So the Sacai line, basically, I know that they love to do double soles, double shoelaces, double tongues. That's the style of the shoe, and I'm a huge fan of that. As you can see, definitely the soles in the back are all clustered. There's two different laces that come together as one in white and gray. Actually, did they come with extra laces in the box? I'm not sure. Alright, so after checking, these shoes don't have extra laces. I thought they would come in black. But definitely I do like the gray and white, so I'm going to keep it as that. And yeah, you can see that the double swoosh in the midsole right here, it comes in both black and gray. I actually haven't tried them on feet yet, but definitely, I think if I'm able to, I'm going to be showing you guys some on-foot footage. So yeah, so there we have it, guys. The Nike Sacai Blazers in the black and gray colorway. I'm really stoked to have these. I'm really stoked to add these in my collection. And definitely, these are going to be a shoe for the toe. Yeah, like I said before, I've never really owned a lot of black sneakers in the past. Just because, like, it's really hard to wear, in my opinion. But definitely, these Blazers are a different story. There's so much going on in the shoe. It's not just black. There's your gray and your white on the midfoot. So yeah, I'm definitely really happy to have these. And yeah, I think the quality on these are really, really nice. The leather isn't really rough. It's kind of plush, so I'm really happy about that. So yeah, guys, since this is my first unboxing, I don't really know what to do in terms of B-roll and on foot. I'm not really sure if I'm going to talk a little bit more about them in another video, or this is just going to be it. But definitely, this is my first time doing a shoe unboxing, and I can tell you I'm having a lot of fun. So yeah, if you liked the video, leave a big thumbs up. And if you want to hear more from me guys, like I said before, smash the subscribe button. I need 100 subs, and just for me to be able to get out there, all your support matters to me. And yeah, like, that's all I got for today.